Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change server name on Discord mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open Play Store and search your Discord and update your Discord application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Discord. Once you open Discord application, you simply need to click on three bars in the top left, and then you need to click on your server, and then you need to click on three dots in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. And once you are in setting, you simply need to click on overview, and once you are in overview, you simply need to click on server name, and here you need to change your server name. So I'm going to change it to How to Solutions on our channel name. Okay, so now you simply need to click on the save icon in the right bottom corner. Okay, server setting has been updated, so now your server name has been changed. So this is a process by which you can change server name on Discord mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.